everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to create and sell. Research is both the simplest and most difficult part of picking a Notion template to sell. Simple market study and examination should be your first steps. Check out other themes, reviews, and ratings. Some merchants even reveal their sales information on websites like Gumroad. You can gain insight into prospective chances for your own design by paying attention to what works well for others. So, this is my sample of my Notion template. At this very moment, I am creating my template for, let's just say, my business or small company. So, of course, to start, all you have to do is to click Add New Page and then enter a title for that. For example, this one project. And then I added an image. And also, if you want to add some cover photo, you just have to tap add cover photo and you can choose from gallery. We have upload, link, and add splash. So you just have to pick the right one for you, or you think that is related also to your project or to your template. For example, this one, or you can choose another one if you want. Okay, so once you already find or chose the best updated cover photo for you, you can go back to your template. Okay, so right now I have here project, and under project, I have here manager, savings, investments, health insurance premium. Okay, so but this time I'm going to show you how to create a template that you can sell in another site, which is Gumroad. I'm going to show you later on. So let's just say you wanted to create a template for those YouTube owner or for those who wanted to create a YouTube channel and they don't have any idea like what should be or what are the things they should prepare. So let's just say this one. So since I will be assigning some tasks and projects, I click the template project, task, and sprints. So I'm going to change the name here. Let's just say YouTube owner planner template. Okay, so this is the template that you're about to sell. Okay, so if you wanted to assign some task or topic to a certain person, okay, so I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, suppose that you're about to, or you have your channel review. So if you're going to click this one here, let's just say the first thing to do is content planning. So you're about to think about what content you would use for your channel. So for status, you can choose or click planning or owner. You can choose or you can assign this to someone. You just have to type their email address, dates, when they're going to submit this one. Priority, you can click low, or if it's urgent, then you can click high. Summary, brainstorming video ideas, something like that. Okay, so we have here another task. If you want to invite another person to do the task, or if you want this task to be collab with 3 people, something like that, you can easily add the members here. And if you want another task, let's just say this is a sub task, you can create another subtask here below in which you can add people, you can add ideas, you can add instruction. So that's how easy it is to create a template. So as you can see right now, I'm currently tab task under new task here, and then status is in progress. Okay, and then I can add comment here like leave a feedback. Okay, once are you're finished with the brainstorming or creating or having this content planning, something like that. So you can do this to sample project performance. You can do the same thing. Okay, so invite team members, assign this to that person, status in progress, or let's just say planning. Okay, assignee, assign this to someone. Date is, of course, when this should be submitted. But if you think this is not necessary, you can also delete this part here and change it to another uh, pictures and words if you want. But for me, since this is very useful. I mean, this template, this layout is very useful, so I don't have to delete it. Okay, so yes, again, status, in progress, or planning, and so on. Assignee, assign this to someone, just type the email address, due date, when they're going to finish this one, priority, medium, high, or low, it depends upon you. Okay, so talking about how to sell this one, all you have to do is just simply click share and then add the email address of the person, a person in charge, or the email address of the person that you wanted to have the control of this template. You can copy this link and share this to the person also. So actually, you can just simply add the person's email address here, or you can copy the link and send it to him or her. And then you can also options here, like if you want to give the full access to the person, or the person can edit content and so on. So everything is up to you. But of course, you're about to sell this template, so you should give the full access to that person. Okay? Or copy this link and give again the permission to that person to edit or own this template. Okay, so you can use Notepad to paste the link before sending it to someone. Okay, or you can save this one if you want to. Now let's go to the site where you can sell your Notion template. So this is Gumroad, and if you want to know more about this site, you can simply scroll down once you're here and know more information about this one. So to start, of course, you need to sign up or create your own account and then click start selling. Okay, so once you tap start selling, you can see options on the left side. Okay, so we have here, okay, so let's connect first to the Google home, products, checkout, post, audience, and so on. So click new product, type the name of your product here. Let's just say YouTube content planner template. Okay, so type the name of the product, YouTube content planner template, and then click digital product. And then below you can see the price there. Let's just say this is just for $2. And then tap next customize. Okay, so here to make everything short, you just have to enter the description of your product. So above you can see there the name, description, paste your account in Notion if you want. Now upload an image or videos to promote your product. Well, I'm going to show you a tool, a site in where you can edit or create a thumbnail, a video, even a picture for your product to post or to upload in Gumroad. So I'm using Canva at this very moment and I'm creating a thumbnail or something like an image in order for me to promote my product. But this is just a tutorial. I mean, this is just a sample. I know that you can do better than this. Okay, once done, click share and then tap download. Now, if you really want to promote Notion template, like just plain Notion template, all you have to do is to go to or create a new page, type Notion template, and then upload an image of Notion. Okay, click upload and then drag that picture here. Okay, and then you can have your Notion template image or thumbnail. Okay, so once done, click share and then download this one. Now you can go back to Gumroad and then add this image. It can be, or you want to use it as an image only, or if you want to use it as your thumbnail. But when people, it's okay because when people visit your site in Gumroad or your account in Gumroad, they can still see your images and videos, even your thumbnail. It can be your cover, it can be your thumbnail, or it can be just a video or image in your Gumroad account. Okay, so once done, all you have to do is to go to this part here. Here, change this call to action to buy this. Summary, access to Notion. You can add your link here if you want. Okay, add detail. Everything is up to you. You can call out important features of your product if you want. If you add some images or videos, it's up to you. Just click add detail and then pricing $2 or $3. So everything is up to you. Now, once done, all you have to do is to click save and continue. Then after that, you can proceed to products, check out, post, content, share, everything here, or publish and continue. Okay, so, okay, always remember that you don't need to know code to sell your Notion templates online with Gumroad. You may either embed on your own website to sell products directly from Gumroad with a customized URL. To embed your Gumroad store on any website or web page, just copy and paste, and you may quickly include a buy now button your items or both. Additionally, Gumroad has amazing features that you won't find anywhere else. Such official WordPress, you can upload as many Notion templates, assets, or files as you'd like to Gumroad. Okay, so Gumroad makes it remarkably simple to anyone. So I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.